7,000 years in 3 minutes. This short video traverses the conventional 7,000 years of human history at a steady 40 years per second, shown by the position of the Sun at the March equinox against the stars. The equinox is where the Sun, whose path is shown here diagonally in yellow, crosses the celestial equator, whose path is shown horizontally in white. Due to the slow wobble of Earth's axis, the celestial equator moves through the stars at a rate of 1 degree every 71.6 years. The equator makes a full circle around the zodiac, a period known as a great year of precession of the equinoxes, every 25,771 years. Let's start. In 4004 BC, when the Bible says Adam and Eve fell from grace and were expelled by God from the Garden of Eden, we see here that the equinox point had just crossed the Milky Way between Gemini and Taurus. Scientifically, this time also marked the beginning of a fall season in the long-term climate. The point where the Earth is closest to the Sun, known as the orbital perihelion, then crossed the September equinox, the annual beginning of fall. In previous cycles, this event marked an increase in glaciers, just like how the northern fall is the start of colder weather each year. The equinox precessed through Taurus and into Aries over the next 3,000 years, the Bronze Age, and continued in Aries through the Iron Age. We see here that the foot of the traditional picture of the lamb points to the spot where the equinox crossed into Pisces, the sign of the fishes, at the time of Jesus Christ in 21 AD. This spot has the shape of a Chi-Rho cross, formed by the 3 lines of the first fish, the zodiac and the equator, and it's just coming up now. This was all well known to ancient astronomers who predicted this event for hundreds of years beforehand. Since then, the spring point has advanced through Pisces. Meanwhile, the perihelion point crossed the December solstice in 1246 AD, marking the bottom point of the long climate cycle and the shift from cosmic fall into cosmic winter. The equinox is now moving towards Aquarius. This cosmic movement is the basis for the idea that we are now at the dawn of the age of Aquarius. The Bible says 1,000 years are like a day for God. Considering this traditional 7,000-year period against a week, the Sabbath millennium of peace and rest goes from about now until 3000 AD, when the equinox will be in the middle of the jug held by Aquarius, the water bearer.